Good morning. We're going to start talking about our advantage disadvantage paper today. Last week before spring break, I sent you a list of possible topics. So that's going to be our focus today, is to figure out the topic that you want to write about. That list that I sent, it's not the only list. If you have other ideas as far as what type of topic that you want to write about, now's the opportunity to kind of figure things out. So, when we pick a topic, the purpose of an advantage disadvantage paper is like the article for girls only, to give a balanced viewpoint of a particular topic. Remember, it's not going to be a persuasive where you're trying to persuade the audience to agree with you. You have to talk about the pros and the cons. So we make a lot of big decisions in our everyday life. If you think about all the decisions you've already made so far this morning, when you were getting up, what you were going to wear, if you were going to brush your teeth, right? What you were going to have for breakfast. All of those have, kind of positive and negative kind of consequences when you weigh out the pros and the cons. And so we have to think about that when we think about a topic. And when we're writing this, it's not going to be a topic that just concerns you. It needs to be, are going to have to think of an audience that you want to focus on. And so you have to, it truly has to have advantages and disadvantages. So like the example of, exercising. Okay, we could think of, if we really think about the advantages and disadvantages of exercising, really the only real big downfall of exercising would be you could get injured. So it's going to be more one-sided. So that wouldn't be a good topic to write about. Or you need to make sure that it's not broad. So the advantages and disadvantages of owning a pet. Well, if you think about the advantages and disadvantages of having a fish, those are going to be completely different than the advantages and disadvantages of having a dog. And so we want to focus on one kind of pet, so that our focus is more specific. So here is what you are going to do today. I have assigned to you a Google form, and in there I want you to list your top 5 choices of topics. List them in the order that you want to write them in. So put number 1, put that being your top choice, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I would like this done by this afternoon. I know that's not a lot of time, but this is the only thing that I'm having you do today, is just to think of your topic. And then I will email you back with your approved topic, so that then going forward, we can then, what your topic is, what your focus is, and then we can move forward. All right, we will talk to you later.